Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today we want to show you how you can log into your Brightpay employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, head towards to your default browser and in the above search bar you can search in Brightpay employee login. After you reach this type of interface, please proceed towards the second link in your search bar, and in the right side you can see their login button with the login to connect employee account. After that, you will head towards the next web page where you can enter your credential, username and password, and you can just click the go. Finally, you are logged into your employee account. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Till the end, we will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to all so that you don't miss any updates. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.